The wait is over. Monochrome 2023 collection is now available in stores and online. The stunning monochrome collection celebrates subtlety and simplicity with an assortment of timeless three-piece unstitched suits. The most anticipated collection of the season is now available, bringing to you the monochrome collection featuring three-piece unstitched suits that are decorated with impeccable embroidery and intricate detailing, making each ensemble a stunning sight for sore eyes. Melina is woven along a bold black canvas. The Kora embellishments across the shirt front and back. A beautiful fusion of embroidery composed on floral and geometric patterns. The black trouser with their embroidery edges perfectly harmonize with the overall design, complete with a Kora colored voile dupatta adorned with black embroidery along its length and cutwork on the edges. This ensemble is perfect for any occasion. Leon carries a Kora base adorned with beautiful geometric motifs. The cuffs of the sleeve and the daman of the shirt boost a rich tapestry of thick embroidery with a heavily embellished neckline. The trouser with the delicately embroidered edges and the black voile dupatta add to the overall aura of sophistication. Myra is threaded along a Kora canvas decorated with embroidery scattered across the shirt. The neckline is meticulously embellished, adding a touch of grace to the overall look. Matching embroidered trouser and the digital printed dupatta amplify the regality of this three-piece unstitched suit. Amara is threaded on a light grey canvas layered with embroidered motifs both across the front and back. Crafted from cotton dubi fabric, both the shirt and trouser exude elegant grace. The embroidery, with its flamboyant blend of floral and vintage aesthetics, accentuates the neckline. The look is completed by embroidered trouser and a mesmerizing digital printed dupatta. Zaria features a celestial stage courtesy of its black canvas decorated with embroidery delicately across the shirt front and back. A dainty embroidered neckline whispers timeless elegance, while the daman and cuffs boost an opulent tapestry of bold embroidery. Trousers feature the same intricate embroidery. Complementing this ensemble is a grey voile dupatta, its subtle embellishments weaving a spellbinding tale. Kala features a rich composition of white and black. The white base boosts black embroidery motifs on the front and back, while similar motif accentuates the sleeves. The daman is adorned with an exquisite display of heavy embroidery. The dyed cotton trouser featuring bold embroidery on the edges, and the black voile dupatta perfectly complement the ensemble. Ila is crafted along a regal black canvas that flaunts embroidery artistry. A heavily embroidered neckline patti catches the eye, while small motifs across the front and side panels intertwine with bold and thick embroidery. The trouser with the dainty embroidered edges provide the perfect balance to this resplendent ensemble. Paired with a digital printed chiffon dupatta, this outfit is a testament to timeless beauty. Arya features a striking black canvas adorned with exquisite embroidery. The subtle neckline adds refined intricacy to this monochromatic masterpiece. The side panels are enlivened by a fusion of intertwined vines and geometric lines, adoring the daman, the embroidered trousers, and digital print.